Today, we'll introduce you to the core machine of our factory, the vertical ring die biomass pellet mill. 304 stainless steel material feed cover, detachable, high strength, wear resistant, and corrosion resistant. The outlet position can be adjusted by the user according to the site conditions. Now let's go into the production workshop and show you the pelletizing process of the pellet mill. The feed cover has been removed, allowing for a more direct observation of the operating status of the core pelletizing components. The feed cutter is adjustable, allowing control over the discharge length. After the raw material enters the ring die, it is squeezed at high speed by the pressure roller and extruded from the ring die hole to form finished pellets. The machine outputs materials smoothly and, when paired with a conveyor system, directly produces finished products, achieving a one-step process from raw materials to finished products and maximizing production efficiency. Finally, enjoy an immersive tour of the biomass pellet mill production line. We are a source factory and support customization. If you are interested, please leave a comment or send me a private message.